Hello everybody, and today I'm going to play a new game called Catbird. And I just want to show you all the levels I've been playing. So this is level 1. This is a start level. And now these are the real levels. This is one of once I've been really stuck on this. Once I was really stuck on this level. But now I know I don't need this. I just have to go like this. Yep. I have to go
Start your business adventure with Cash Inc. Start with.
And sorry for the advert. I want to show you where you have to jump. Don't bring that with you. So you just have to jump here, like here, this, and then go. I mean, like, you have to jump on the third block, if you know what I mean. So you just have to push that down to enter and get the coin, and then those will unlock. And then you should go on this block and start flying. But if you just keep on trying on different blocks. And I want to show you another level. That was level 3, and this is another level. No, I thought that was level 3. No. Sorry guys. I thought that was level 3. I'm mistaken. And here's another level. So if you don't know what I mean, because this is a button. Hit that click. You have to try and get a block. So an actual block to hold it down. Okay, when this blade comes and you try to push this, just stand on it because the blades will just go through the box and not in you. So just quick tip. Okay, there we go. Now I think that's pressed down. Yeah, it is. So now let's go and see. And now you're supposed to press this button, and then those will come out. And then you should go in the diamond that actually is square. And I was stuck on this level for a few minutes. Actually, if I think about it, it's not really hard. So just have to go down like this. Really easy. But now I'm stuck on a new level. And just to tell you, you already saw that the white water kills. So okay. So this is another level. It's very easy if you think about it. It's just a blade that comes through. Just have to wait. Just have to wait for it to have the perfect timing. I have to go up here to get the keys. So you can't get back down when you jump on one of these. I actually have to just go back here to this, and then just go. And then they're unlocked. And there's the X. Now here was the level I was stuck on. I mean, not this one, not the other one. But if you're stuck on this, you can see how I play it now. Ah! I know what happened with that right now, but that was a close one. Oh, really? 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 Oh my gosh. So if you want to look at the next episode, it's gonna come soon. Really? Really? So guys, I was actually stuck on this level for a pretty long time yesterday. Why do I keep on dying? I just died. Really? Really, Catbird? Really? That's it. I'm just gonna show you guys another level. This level. This is actually the one I was stuck on. What? Was I really stuck on this? Showface. What? No, because... Oh, yeah, because this one I was stuck on. I'm already on the next level. This is really the one I was stuck on.